Welcome at Toscanamia. Today we are preparing the pastry pasta frolla that is the base for many different possible desserts. Today we are going to prepare cookies, biscuits, but anyway you can use for many different things. First of all, we use butter. Remember that butter in Italy has no salt, so is unsalted. Then we add sugar and we mix with our sugar here. Then we use cinnamon. Cinnamon, we have it here already grated. It's such a good thing. This pastry is fantastic. The idea of the cinnamon is a specialty in our family, so it's a family tradition thing to use this thing here. Oh, you see how well it's mixing? Then we add a pinch of salt. Pinch is always a three-finger thing. You will see many times with us a pinch of salt, and that's necessary in preparing many times dessert. Then here we use flour. When we say flour, we mean all-purpose, plain, normal flour that in Italy is called 00. Okay, we mix it. And then we can add the eggs. Okay, for the eggs, we will have 2 yolks and 1 whole egg. Okay, so we do in a very simple way to separate the eggs. That's the best, easiest way you can do. And then the white you can use for something else. Okay, 1 yolk. Two yolks. So easy to separate in this way. And 1 whole egg. Okay, here we are. First you can start doing everything with a fork, and then it will be much better with your hands. Always clean hands, of course. Wash the hands as usual in a kitchen. This is a normal activity. Wash hands. Okay, here again. We mix everything here. Hope you can see it easily. It's just a mixing thing here. So today we are making cookies. Now we prepare the dough, then it has to rest for half an hour at least. I mean, half an hour is always a good thing to have everything well mixed and firm, so then we can give the shape required. Okay. Okay. Here it is. So again, we are using sugar, butter, not salted butter, unsalted butter, sugar, butter, flour, eggs, pinch of salt, and cinnamon. Cinnamon is not always used, it's a specialty of ours here at Toscanamia, but it gives a good basic taste to what we are preparing in this occasion, especially because we are doing cookies, biscuits, and they need some special taste in it. Okay, so we close it here, and then with our plastic, we close it in our plastic. It doesn't seem firm, but of course it will become much firmer later on, spending at least half an hour in the refrigerator. So that's our dough for later. After half an hour or a little bit more, you can take it out and then roll it out. Okay, we do a piece of it. Also remember to have flour on the board because the dough is a little bit sticky. Okay, we roll it out. You can use whatever rolling pin you like. You have not to make it too thin to make your biscotti. Okay, biscotti or cookies or biscuits as you want to call them. Okay, so here we are. Then we roll it out. Then to give the shape, that's a big question because you can give the shape you prefer, absolutely. Oh, a little bit more flour here. As you see, it may be quite sticky. Okay, for the shape, you can use all the possible shapes available on the market. I mean, really different shapes. It can be a round, it can be a heart, it can be a star. Okay, that's up to you. But you can also simply use a glass. I mean, to give a shape, you can just use a glass. You don't need anything fancy. You can be happy just with a simple glass. So make it the right thickness. Okay. Roll it out. Then with a glass, a simple glass, you give the shape. Then if you want, you can have a smaller glass. You can do a smaller shape. Then you can give a different shape according to what you like, as you like, absolutely as you like. Then you could fill with some chocolate on top, but no, today we don't want to have chocolate, we want to go light. Okay, boom. Okay, so we prepare our cookies. This is a big one, then you can do also small ones, as you like, absolutely. But you don't need to have always a very specific gadget to cut them. You can be happy just with something like this. Now we will cook them 10 minutes in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit, 180 centigrade, and then they will be ready. After 10 minutes in the oven, here they are. You can color like this, or you can get a little bit darker, as you like, but it's up to you. So here, a little bit of spreading some icing sugar, caster sugar, confectionery sugar. Okay, and then we have also heart. That's easy shape. And the other idea, you melt some chocolate, dark chocolate, and you fix them with some dark chocolate on one side. Isn't it a good idea? So, with love from Italy.